Hey guys, the good folks over at INMOZATA sent me over this mini fridge stand. We're going to get it opened up, put together, and see what we think about it, so stick around. Okay, we have our instructions here. I'm going to get it out, and then we're going to get it put together. All right, I've got it all kind of spread out here. We're going to proceed with putting it together. And it does come with the required tools to assemble it. First thing we're going to do is put our little feet on here, on the bottom of our legs here, or the frame basically. And you can adjust these. Looks like you're going to have about a 1 inch, about a 3/4 inch play there. You can go up and down if your floor is a little uneven. Just back one of these out a little bit, whatever it takes. That concludes step 1. Now this thing is so versatile that you could stop with this part right here and put your mini fridge under there and be done with that part, and then assemble this other shelf to put on your countertop or wherever else you want to put it. It's made to go up here, but like I said, it's versatile. You can use it for 2 different shelves if you'd like. We're going to go ahead and do it according to the assembly instructions though. So let's carry on. Okay, on to the next part here. Okay, it says that we're going to put it together basically on top of this one. I was going to build that one separate, but I want to follow the instructions. Okay, we're going to do this one just like we did that other one. Put that right there. Okay, I was just looking at something before I put these screws in. It looks like you could drop this shelf down to these holes, and then you could put the wood screws into this one right here. If you didn't need this much room right here, you could lower it down, and that would give you more room between. We're going to have another shelf there, but to get the room between here and here, you could lower that down with about 3 inches. You may not need this much room right here. Optional. This thing is very versatile in a couple of different ways. I like that. But we're going to go ahead and put it at this height right here, just because I already got 3 screws in here already, to be honest with you. Just noticing the welds in there. They did a pretty good job on that welding. One more step, and that's to put our little X back here, give it some stability. Now there is another step that you can take. It has these little straps. You can put them around the legs and screw that to the wall if you need to. Now this one here is going to be a shorter screw there and a little bolt, because it's only got to go right here. And that is all there is to this. I'm going to get it moved to the other room and get some stuff on it and kind of show you what it would look like, how you could use it. I think it's pretty obvious how you can use it, but we're going to make it look pretty. Not really pretty, but we're going to make it look like it's got some stuff on it. Okay, well there you have it. That is nice. Like I said, this is actually made for a mini fridge, but you could put like a trash can or anything like that underneath. Whatever you need to put down here. Got plenty of room. From the floor to the bottom is about 36.5 inches. The total height, if you're curious, 68 inches. And your width from inside to inside is about 18 7/8. You can tell it's very versatile. And like I mentioned earlier, you can take this section and put it over on a countertop if you have room underneath your cabinet to use that. I personally don't, but a lot of you might. So that is an option. You have 2 in 1 basically. I really like this wood color. A lot of my furniture is this dark wood, and I really like that. It looks good. The black frame with the wood looks really nice. Definitely a thumbs up. I like it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate that. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.